Welcome back. Advanced production facility of 2027 Lamborghini, innovation, precision, and raw performance engineering come together to create one of the most extreme supercars of the modern era. The factory manufacturing and assembly process is not just industrial production, it is a carefully orchestrated fusion of robotics, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. Every stage reflects Lamborghini's commitment to speed, design excellence, and uncompromising quality. The 2027 Lamborghini represents the next bold evolution of Italian automotive engineering, blending extreme performance, futuristic technology, and unmistakable design into one breathtaking machine. As the world moves deeper into electrification and intelligent mobility, Lamborghini proves that raw emotion, speed, and aggressive styling can coexist with innovation. The 2027 model is not just a car. It is a statement of what the future of supercars looks like when tradition meets advanced engineering. From the very first glance, the design language remains unmistakably Lamborghini. Sharp, angular body lines slice through the air with purpose. The low, wide stance creates an aggressive road presence that instantly commands attention. Aerodynamics play a critical role in shaping the exterior. Every vent, splitter, and diffuser is engineered for performance. Active aerodynamic elements adjust in real time to maximize downforce at high speeds while reducing drag during straight-line acceleration. The sculpted hood channels air efficiently, while dramatic side intakes feed cooling systems designed for both combustion and hybrid components. Lighting technology in the 2027 Lamborghini is futuristic and razor-sharp. Ultra-thin LED matrix headlights create a signature Y-shaped illumination pattern, giving the car a predatory look at night. The rear features a striking light bar integrated into a sculpted carbon fiber structure, enhancing both visibility and visual drama. The extensive use of lightweight materials such as carbon fiber, forged composites, and aerospace-grade aluminum ensures that despite added hybrid systems, the car remains incredibly agile. Performance is where the 2027 Lamborghini truly dominates. While official specifications may vary by model variant, the next-generation powertrain combines a high-revving combustion engine with advanced electric motors to deliver breathtaking output. The hybrid system is engineered not for efficiency alone, but for instant torque delivery and enhanced acceleration. The result is explosive 0 to 100 km/h performance that pushes the boundaries of what road-legal supercars can achieve. The electric motors eliminate turbo lag and provide seamless power transitions, creating a driving experience that feels both brutal and refined. Intelligent torque vectoring distributes power precisely to each wheel, ensuring maximum traction during aggressive cornering. The advanced all-wheel drive system continuously adapts to road conditions, giving drivers confidence whether on mountain roads, racetracks, or high-speed highways. Inside the cabin, Lamborghini balances luxury with race-inspired minimalism. The cockpit is fully driver-focused, with a digital instrument cluster that adapts based on drive mode. In performance mode, essential data such as RPM, boost levels, battery charge, and torque distribution dominate the display. In street mode, navigation, connectivity, and comfort features take priority. Technology integration extends to connectivity as well. The vehicle can sync with mobile applications to monitor performance statistics, battery health, maintenance schedules, and driving analytics. Remote diagnostics ensure that the car remains in peak condition. Software enhancements can be delivered wirelessly, keeping the vehicle updated with the latest performance calibrations. In a rapidly evolving automotive world, the 2027 Lamborghini demonstrates that electrification does not mean the end of passion. Instead, it amplifies it. By combining hybrid innovation with classic supercar aggression, Lamborghini sets a benchmark for future performance vehicles. The 2027 model is not simply about speed, it is about emotion, control, and technological mastery. For enthusiasts, collectors, and performance purists, the 2027 Lamborghini stands as a symbol of progress without compromise. It proves that the supercar spirit is alive and evolving. Every detail, From aerodynamics to digital systems,